Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like I have been riding the struggle bus this week, but I have found that some decent remote work from home jobs for you. In today's video, we have progressive insurance hiring. We have a computer company like Corsair hiring. We have Tubi, the Tubi TV app where you can watch free shows and stuff. They are hiring someone to manage their digital asset catalog, doing data entry and entering titles and different things into their system. We have a remote non-phone chat customer service job. So of course we're going to dive all in. Links to all the pages I share if you want to read reviews on these companies or get those applications in, along with timestamps, of course, is always found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing is always caring. So please share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, we have Progressive Insurance hiring. They have 8,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a social engagement specialist. So this really means that you are going to be responsible for the day-to-day interactions and publishing of approved content on Progressive's social media platforms. And when you're posting or responding to these comments, you're going to work to protect the brand's reputation. So you're going to really partner with their customer relationship management team, claims team, or other internal departments, making sure that all customer inquiries, comments, and complaints through their social media channels are answered in a correct and timely manner. Of course, this is a remote position. They only require a high school diploma or GED and somebody who has 4 years of work experience, either with digital marketing or customer service within the social media or online space, if you've ever done any kind of online customer service. Now, if you don't have that experience, but you do have a bachelor degree, it looks like they will take the bachelor degree and then only 1 year of experience. Above that, they're looking for somebody who has experience with social media, running social media, somebody who has a strong proficiency in copywriting skills. You've got great grammar skills. Now, pay for this one is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but goes anywhere from $46,400 a year up to $58,000 a year. Of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes 401k, health insurance, things like that. But next up, we have the company Core BTS hiring. Core BTS has 219 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a renewal specialist. This is a full-time remote position for the United States. And so they are really looking for somebody to focus on renewals for their Cisco memberships and subscriptions. So you will be really creating reports approximately 3 months in advance, trying to determine when the upcoming Cisco and Core Care legacy subscription renewals are needed. You'll identify and consolidate renewals for each customer that might fall outside of the immediate renewal horizon. So if the subscription needs to be renewed now, you'll make sure that that subscription gets renewed, but you also don't want things to expire. So you're going to be constantly running these reports looking for upcoming things. You're going to create quotes for each subscription renewal and send them to the customer facing team, just making sure that the quotes that are needed, moving equipment between sites, changing service levels, adjusting coverage, you quote everything that's needed. And if you need to, you will open support cases with Cisco themselves to address any coverage issues, incomplete serial numbers, just anything like that. So you are managing this company's subscriptions for each employee with their Cisco memberships. Only requires 1 to 2 years of some kind of a similar experience, a high school diploma, and somebody who can be a problem solver and work independently. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $55,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. Now, moving on along, if you've ever had any gamers in your household or had anyone that's building computers or just know about computer equipment in general, you might have heard of Corsair. They are a company that makes different computer parts and stuff. I know they make power supplies for computers. I don't know specifically all the things that they make, but they are sold in Best Buy and different electronic stores. They have 223 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer service representative. This is remote for the United States. Now, this customer service representative role is going to require some phone work. They are looking for somebody to handle the Corsair web store and warranty services, acting as that first point of contact for the customer inquiries that come through their online Zendesk platform. But you will also have to do all of the multi-channel customer service searches, phone, email, CRM, the live chat on the website. But you'll just process engaging customer skills, making sure you communicate with them at all levels. So any kind of help that they need with products, locating products, they need returns, warranty because something's not working, they need help troubleshooting something. You're kind of maintaining a professional relationship, meeting those Corsair core values, and just helping the customer with everything that they need. Now, while Corsair prefers a bachelor degree, it's not required. They will take a combination of education and work experience. You do have to be fluent in the English language, but you get brownie points if you are bilingual. They say that's a plus. Other than that, you've got to have great communication skills, be able to work under tight deadlines and pressure, and be enthusiastic and dependable. Now, sadly, this one did not list pay. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. However, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, all kinds of benefits. And of course, next up we have Tubi hiring Tubi TV, the app that you can download like on your phone and on your TV to watch free movies and TV shows. They have 87 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a content processor. This is going to be remote for the United States. But as a content processor, you are basically processing and verifying all of the content, which is movies, TV shows, episodes, and the data for that content that's being entered into their system. So you're verifying basically the metadata or the tags that says this movie is a romantic comedy, this movie is a drama, things like that. The movie images, the poster images that pop up, and any video assets. So basically in their computer system, you're creating records in their asset management system for the launch of all of this content on, of course, Tubi TV's content platform. So you are driving that whole processing workflow for the ingestion into the computer system of movies, episodes, images, subtitles, and other assets. You are going to create title records and update the content data received from the partners within the Tubi content management system. So you're making sure that all of the data is correct and you're entering that into their system. Of course, you're going to troubleshoot and resolve and escalate any assets that don't meet the required specifications, making sure that they are coded correctly, and if the transcode is not correctly, you're not ingesting them into the system. You need to make sure that something that is a horror film is not marked as like a kid film, things like that. You just need to make sure that everything is coded correctly in the system. So you will collaborate with different technical and content departments, making sure that all of those established workflows resolve any issues. Now, on top of entering all the data and managing all of their content in their content management system, you might have to use Adobe Photoshop and manipulate artwork files, correcting things as needed before they go into the content management system. So this does require either a bachelor degree or equivalent work experience. So they do say they'll take work experience over the bachelor degree. You do have to have at least 3 years of relevant work experience, strong communication communication skills, be familiar with content management systems and databases because you're going to be using them a lot. And they want somebody who has some Photoshop skills. Other than that, someone who can be a problem solver. And of course, most importantly, somebody who is a passionate fan of movies and TV. Now, if this is you, this pays fairly well. Pay is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but pay starts anywhere around $28.84 an hour and can go up to $42.31 an hour. Now, keeping it moving, I've heard somebody in the comments the other day list that they wanted some healthcare positions. So Savista is hiring in the healthcare field. They have 120 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a credit balance resolution rep. Again, this is remote for the United States. Now, the credit balance resolution rep is going to work with patients and third-party payers, so these are going to be your insurance companies, making sure that any credit balances, undistributed payments, and requests for refunds get resolved in a timely and accurate manner. So a credit balance on an account is when more money has been paid to the account than the original charge, and so the account is basically in a credit balance or negative balance, so someone's owed a refund somewhere. So maybe the patient thought that their insurance wasn't going to cover a service and they made a payment up front when they was seen, and then the insurance paid anyways. So now the job of a credit balance resolution rep is to figure out who was responsible for actually paying the bill and refund the other person. That is the easy resolution there. Some things get more complicated. Maybe the insurance paid half and then they had a contractual adjustment that was added to the account and then the patient paid half, but for some reason the numbers are not working and they added up to more than the original charge. Maybe the contractual adjustment was wrong and no one's needed a refund. You just need to fix the adjustment or write-off that was put on that account, or maybe someone gets a partial refund. Basically, that's the job of a credit resolution rep, is to do all of that research and figure out exactly what went wrong with the posting of adjustments and payments on an account, how to fix them, and who needs to be refunded money. So you are just taking all necessary steps to facilitate the resolution of these payments with patients and insurance companies, initiating those refunds to when needed, and just conducting accurate, timely review of any refund request. So maybe someone actually sends a request for a refund. You don't just see the credit balance yourself and start investigating yourself. Maybe a patient calls and they're like, hey, give me my money back. The insurance now paid. Your job is just figuring all that out. They don't require any kind of college degree, just 3 years of experience in some kind of healthcare field, whether that be healthcare customer service, insurance collections. They want somebody who has a year working with some kind of credit balance or financial underpayments, somebody who has strong knowledge of computer billing systems and proficient with Microsoft Office. You can use like Outlook, Excel, things like that, great communication skills. And again, sadly, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. And last but not least, we have the company Rocket Money, part of Rocket Companies. They are hiring someone to do non-phone chat-based customer service. They have 5,600 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer support associate, again, remote for the United States. They are a financial company. They offer members a unique a way to understand their finances. So they offer different financial services. And they are looking for someone to use their online chat platform to talk to these members and customers of Rocket Money, providing just that great customer service, answering any questions the customer has about how to use the app, or assisting members with their accounts specifically, like if they need to update their account information, if they need to know how to do something with their account, just solving their general issues and helping guide them through their different membership options. These are probably customers who have this premium membership, so you're going to solve any technical issues they have and when you're not helping the customers, you're going to write and draft help articles to assist with creating member tutorials. So things that would go on the website, like in the FAQs, you're going to write up all of that. Now, they are looking for somebody who has an interest in personal finance, somebody who has great communication skills, who can be empathetic and understanding with the customers, but you've got to be able to solve these problems. So you've got to be a problem solver. And of course, you're working by yourself from home, so you've got to be self-motivated. But pay for this one is anywhere from $20 an hour up to $24 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I can never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.